Docks Marine opens 7 days a week from 8 to 5. Sales, rental, service, all in one place. It's at Docks Marine, 5803 Eichard Ridge Road.
Welcome back into the WHKY News. It is time for Community Focus. Hickory's Riverwalk overwater bridge is closed until further notice due to damage sustained during Hurricane Helene. A section of hand railing on the bridge was damaged by debris and will need to be replaced. For the safety of the public, the bridge must stay closed until the necessary repairs have been completed. The Riverwalk Bridge trailhead and parking lot at 1580 Old Lenore Road Northwest in Hickory will also remain closed until the bridge reopens. At this time, the reopening date is unknown. The other portions of the Riverwalk Trail, including the elevated overland trails and paved greenway within Rotary Geithner Park, are open. The City of Newton announces the launch of a cold weather supply drive to support individuals and families recovering from Hurricane Helene's devastation. The supply drive encourages the Newton community to donate items that will provide warmth to people during the approaching colder months. Donations will be accepted today through November 1st. You can drop them off at City Hall in Newton and at several other locations. You can find those locations in this story at our website, WHKY.com. You can also find all of the items needed in that story. Items collected will be distributed to individuals and families affected by Helene. If you have any questions or would like more information, you can call 828-409-7408. Up next on Community Focus on this Monday evening, Arianna Mack has details on the new president at Catawba Valley Health System. She was installed in late September.
Catawba Valley Health System has announced that Marianne Carna has been hired as the new president of its Catawba Valley Medical Group. Ms. Carna will oversee Catawba Valley Medical Group, which comprises 16 family practices and 6 specialty care practices in Catawba and Caldwell counties. She began her employment with CVHS on Monday, September 23rd. Ms. Carna comes to CVHS from Novant Health Incorporated, where she served as System Senior Vice President since 2020. She holds bachelor and master degrees of science in nursing. In addition, at her time at Novant Health, she held executive positions at Hartford Healthcare in Connecticut, Yale New Haven Hospital in Connecticut, and New York Presbyterian Hospital in New York, and Teletracking Technologies in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, among others. Ms. Carna has been recognized for establishing incentive plans for multiple physicians, private and employed, along with nursing and non-clinical recruitment and retention strategies. She has served in several executive leadership roles, directing physician, nursing, and support teams. Ms. Carna has been recognized for individual service excellence by senior administration and for excellence in leadership at New York Presbyterian. She also led an effort to achieve a national ranking in U.S. News and World Report. For the full details on Ms. Carna, you can go to the full story on our website, WHKY.com. I'm Arianna Mack.
Thanks, Arianna, and thank you all for watching. You can catch the news every weeknight at 5:30 and 10 o'clock on channel 14.2 over the air and online on our YouTube channel and at WHKY.com. For Arianna Mack and Jason Savage, I'm Rob Eastwood, and from Hickory, good night.